Flood of tears. Once again, a flood of tears engulfs my soul. I find myself grappling with their origin, facing them without warning. Sadness wraps around me, resurrecting thoughts I thought I had escaped. Loneliness and a sense of not belonging take hold. I hear the echoes of my name, distant and haunting, add to my fear and isolation for a moment. I go deep within this heart and I connect. The golden light exposes lies, covering me with calm. Attitudes change and I stand tall, walking ahead. The flood of tears washes away hidden debris, allowing love to flow freely.